600 pounds of ice.
Wait, whoa! No. Carlos will get hurt.
So fun. This is the best idea we've ever had. All right, guys, we are very excited to present to you today Ice Ledge. Ice Ice Baby? What do we do? What do we call this?
I see what you did there.
You got me. Oh, look at that.
Will it wax?
It's already melted. How do we get it out of there? 600 pounds of ice.
Each one is 300 pounds.
Each one.
Drop it on your foot.
Have you ever seen 1,000 Ways to Die in the West? They get killed by a giant ice block.
Where's Troy? Where's Troy? Thank you so much for picking that up, Troy.
Is this sanitary?
That's nice.
Oh, gross.
Get it while you can. Now's the time we talk about global warming.
I see what you're talking about.
Hey, I said that already. I just want to like take my pants off and sit on it. Oh, that's perfect. You guys got to be very careful though. Like some people have to guide it down so it doesn't hit the bottom really hard. You know, Aaron, they were giving me a really hard time yesterday because I said I didn't want to skate it in there. And Carlos was like, we've skated bananas, wax, soap, so many things, and I don't want water.
Can I lick it?
Yeah, go ahead.
I can lick it?
No, don't.
Don't look
Oh,
right
don't
there.
look right there.
Look
That's
right
your
there.
saliva. Oh yeah, Nigel. Oh. Man.
Oh, y'all need some water? We got some water here for you.
Can we get some help from all the capable grown men?
I don't see any.
My fingers are under it.
Oh no, get your fingers out of there.
No, it's helping to get it up.
Oh no, Aaron, oh no.
Oh, there's so much water.
It's ice.
Oh, it's so cold.
Oh no! Oh no!
Thank you, Dougie.
Careful. Okay, next one. Somebody call PETA. I want to light it on fire.
Dude, this looks so good.
That looks fun. I want to try.
Oh my god!
Remember in Tahoe when you fell?
That is the best.
I'm like a cat.
Wow, look at that, Steve! Dude! Right. Nigel, you are legitimately frozone.
Yeah. Where's my super suit? I said, where is my super suit? It's like, oh, I want to do this first.
Hey, no grinds first, only slides.
Oh, wait.
Whoa!
No. It's still good.
Should leave it like that, right?
Dude, that is beautiful. Nigel, put your face up behind it. Oh, wow, I can see you.
Nigel.
Oh, that's disgusting. That's disgusting. Predictions?
It's gonna be really fun.
I'm really excited. Donovan, welcome to the video, my friend.
Dude, thank you.
Do you have any predictions for what is going to occur?
Carlos will get hurt.
Troy, thank you so much for
man.
getting your car soaked. Okay, I think the most important thing is slides only first. Yeah! Oh. You got me wet! Wow! Hey Carlos, do you think it needs wax?
Oh, that's scary.
Yes! Oh! Wow! Wait!
It's so fun though.
Oh!
That was just like crazy.
Wow! Oh! Oh! Oh no, Aaron!
Yes!
Oh no.
What have you done?
Nigel's eating it.
Hey, time out, time out, time out!
It's literally so good.
Say that again.
Oh, so good. You should try some.
He said you should try some. Oh! It's getting chunky! Yeah, Doug! Woo! Oh!
Come on, slide.
I think it needs wax. Ooh!
Full send.
We need some wax. Okay.
Yeah! Oh, man. Oh!
It looks like Third and Army.
It does, right?
Chunky.
Yeah! You etched it.
I don't know if
Jeez.
Come on, Third and Army, grind.
Yeah! Oh!
We're ice skating.
Yeah, we are.
Ah, come on!
We're finally all going ice skating together. What? Whoa.
I just had to pop off.
Woo! Why is he going so fast for? Hey, does anyone want any shaved ice? I saw that coming. Ow. Oh, come on, Luce, you got this.
Man.
What do you think, Aaron?
So fun. This is the best idea we've ever had. It was like, wow.
I've seen you land through worse ledges than this. Yeah! Oh no, Troy, you good?
That was close.
Woo.
I just want to land it.
Gabe,
Yeah.
fill my truck.
Oh, it's so cold.
It's so cold.
Yeah, mine's colder than Aaron's. Feel it.
Wow. It's like your skateboard has been in the refrigerator. We're good! What? How did he land that?
Who is that? What does it mean?
There's too much going on right now.
Hey, wait, I got you. Hold on. It's actually a stone, but I'm just, you know, now it's nice. Okay, Carlos, right here. All right, Carlos, right here, 50 bucks. This video needs more puns. Dang, I thought that trick was fire, then I realized it was ice. You're so chill, man.
Aaron's got to get over the fact of the puns and just let it go.
Hey, Nigel, what Elsa you got?
I always wanted to skate Antarctica, but this is like too much.
Oh!
Yes!
Woo! Carlos, give me a high five. Let's go.
Oh, I'm done. I'm done.
How you feel?
I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. My board is so waterlogged, dude.
Yeah, Carlos, you did it! Woo!
I was trying to manual this.
Whoa! What? Oh! I think it's time, at least for one.
Yeet!
Jeez!
Damn, Teddy, you crushed it.
Bro, I was trying to skate this.
This feels good on my hands, actually.
Hey, you got that drip, Carlos.
Got that drip cut. I'm getting thirsty.
I want to break the rest of that.
Go ahead.
All right.
I just got fully sprayed.
Where's the pickaxe at? Get some torches.
Let's light this one on fire and do a couple tricks.
Yeet!
Can you imagine that hitting you?
Oh.
Bro.
Look how smooth that is.
Mmm, delicious.
Just like Minecraft, Gabe.
Hey, wait, chill. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
The Warriors lost the other day, Gabe. Get it! Whoa, what the heck? Gabe. Dude, that is really on fire. Iceberg, right ahead! Here you go, Aaron Pyro.
Okay, now you ready to light it? There's a lot on there.
Dude, that's...
Okay, light it.
Go, Chris! Oh my God.
You gotta land it.
Oh, no!
Let Carlos move his car first.
I love you can see through it and you can see the fire on the other side.
You got it, Chris.
You think this is where they got the idea of icy hot? Ready?
There's a vortex. Yeah! Woo! Get it, Nigel! What do you think, Donovan?
I want more. Turn it sideways. I got more tricks for this sideways. Like at first I was scared, but now my Evil Knievel status is turned on. I'm ready.
We're contradicting Mother Nature. You're setting ice on fire, dude.
Yeah, just let it drop.
Oh, chip it.
That's like when an iPhone cracks, you can still use it.
Right.
Let's douse it and call this video successful. Get some on the sides too. Whoa,
yes.
whoa.
Are you guys ready? Ah, 5-5!
Whoa! Doug, your boy's on fire, Doug! Thank you, Uzi. Woo! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, boy!
Oh no!
Oh, God, there is a hole there. Other side.
Oh!
Switch.
Oh, it's hot!
Yeah!
You got that?
All the way.
There you go. Check out all the other videos right there. Like, subscribe, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn how to skateboard at BrailleSkateboarding.com.